Welcome to AI in Marketing, your daily news update curated by Stan Bertello and generated by AI.
Today is October 25th, 2024. Here is what we are covering. Anthropic has unveiled its new Claude feature, Computer Use, which enables the AI to autonomously operate computers like a human, facilitating tasks from coding to information gathering. This feature, still in beta, allows Claude to interact with screens, navigate multiple applications, and even bypass captcha verifications, potentially revolutionizing workflow efficiency. Users have shared how Claude acts like a personal research assistant by gathering information and performing repetitive tasks swiftly and autonomously. Some have even suggested that Claude's capabilities verge on artificial general intelligence, noting its potential to transform daily work processes radically. Speaking of enhancing digital productivity, Notion is set to launch a customizable email app in early 2025, allowing users to tailor their inboxes with personalized views, layouts, and actions. Utilizing Notion AI, the app will automate tasks like organizing and drafting emails and integrate scheduling via Notion's calendar app. The Mail app will support Google and Gmail accounts and be available on both iPhone and Android devices. Additionally, Notion introduced a new Forms tool and enhanced customization options, further strengthening its goal to be a comprehensive productivity solution. Meanwhile, Apple is offering up to $1 million for security researchers to find vulnerabilities in its imminent private cloud compute AI cloud service. The company will also award up to $250,000 for reporting exploits that extract sensitive user information and up to $150,000 for accessing sensitive data from privileged network positions. This initiative extends Apple's bug bounty program, which encourages private reporting of security flaws to enhance device and account protection. Additionally, Apple has been proactively improving iPhone security by providing researchers with special hacking devices to counteract spyware threats. Shifting from Apple to OpenAI, Miles Brundage, OpenAI's senior advisor for AGI readiness, announced his departure, expressing that neither OpenAI nor any company is prepared for artificial general intelligence. The dissolution of his AGI readiness team highlights tensions between OpenAI's safety-focused mission and its commercial pursuits, as pressure mounts to transition to a for-profit entity. Brundage cited limitations on research freedom as a primary reason for leaving, aiming to influence AI policy independently. This underscores an internal struggle between advancing AI research and shifting towards product-focused goals. In a broader AI regulatory context, the White House has introduced new guidelines for national security and intelligence agencies to utilize artificial intelligence while mitigating its associated risks. Signed by President Joe Biden, the framework seeks to ensure access to advanced AI, restricts certain applications, and emphasizes civil rights protections. National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan emphasized that the strategy is crucial for responsibly harnessing AI's potential and maintaining U.S. competitiveness against global rivals. The directives also promote AI research and aim to safeguard the computer chip supply chain and American industries from foreign espionage. Finally, turning to Google, the company is implementing new disclosures in its Photos app to indicate when images have been edited with AI tools like Magic Editor, Magic Eraser, and Zoom Enhance, aiming to enhance transparency. However, the absence of visual watermarks within AI-edited photos means that users may not immediately recognize these edits, especially when shared on social media or other platforms. Google's decision comes after criticism for distributing AI tools without clear visual indicators and emphasizes the disclosure in the photo's metadata and details tab, which many users might overlook.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.